Thank you, Bigshipment, for bringing my stuff safely. It was swift and it's nice doing business with you guys. I think I'm expecting some more stuff. Looking forward to doing more and more business with you guys. Thank you.
I also get my packages now. Thanks to Bigshipment, they are fast, reliable, and cost effective. 7 working days only. 7 working days only. Thanks to Bigshipment.
My name is Emmanuel. I'm a graphic guy. So over the years, I've been having issues on how to get my shipment from US down to Nigeria. And a friend introduced me to Bigshipment, and they've made life easy. So within 5 to 7 days, you get your item. And as you can see, I'm getting my laptop fresh out of the box with no defects. With no stories, that's the most important. So I'll recommend, if you have any item across the globe, you can contact them. Thank you very much.
I am Ehinome Ibujimeme. I sell beauty products, skincare products, supplements brought in from US and UK. Bigshipment has really helped my business by making it possible for me to bring my products speedily into Nigeria. With their priority shipment option, I get my products within a week. From when it leaves US, it gets to me within 5 to 7 working days. I get my items. I use them in the UK. UK, it's like 3 days to get to Nigeria, and in the US, 5 to 7 working days. As a business owner, I bring products with different textures, different sizes. I bring a variety of products. My products get here intact. My products get here on time, well boxed, well packaged, and they all get here intact. I even use their shipment, their ocean freight also. Like, they're amazing. I use them by air, I use them by ship, I use them in the UK and in the US. Like, they make my business easy. It's been amazing using Bigshipment. Thank you very much.